In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a return request in eBay. If you've opened eBay and need to locate a return request so you can cancel it, this process is very straightforward once you know where to look. I'll walk you through the navigation clearly so you can follow along on your own screen without confusion. To begin, make sure you're signed into your eBay account and that you're on the main eBay homepage. From there, look near the top of the page for the sell option. Go ahead and click on sell. This takes you into the seller area where eBay groups together listing, order, and return related tools. Once you're in the seller section, move your cursor over orders. You don't need to click right away if the menu appears when you hover. This area is where eBay organizes activity connected to purchases and sales, including shipments, completed orders, and returns. Taking a moment to hover over orders should reveal the related menu options. From that menu, click on Returns. This opens the section where return cases and requests are listed. If you've had multiple transactions, this page may show more than one return, so it's a good idea to look carefully and make sure you choose the correct one. Pay attention to the item details and any status information shown on the page so you don't accidentally open the wrong request. After the returns page loads, you can then select the return you want to cancel. This is the key part of the process because choosing the correct return request brings you into the details for that specific case. Once you've selected it, you'll be in the right place to proceed with cancellation based on the options eBay makes available for that request. If you don't immediately see the return you're looking for, give the page a moment to load fully or scroll through the list if needed. On some accounts, return requests may be grouped by status or displayed among other order activity, so staying focused on the item name can help. And that's it. The path you need is sell, then orders, then returns, and finally select the return request you want to cancel. Following this route is the quickest way to find the correct return inside eBay's seller tools. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you quickly host and cancel your return request in eBay.